Welcome. Are you tired of scrolling through your Instagram feed and wishing you could save those amazing photos? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple and updated steps to save photos directly from Instagram to your device. Whether it's a breathtaking landscape, a cute pet, or inspiring artwork, having your favorite images saved is a game changer. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate through your feed or search for the photo you want to save. It helps to know exactly where the image is that you're interested in, so take a moment to find it. Once you're in the right spot, it's time for step 2. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the photo. This tiny yet mighty button unlocks a menu of options that you can choose from. Give it a tap. Now, for step 3, you'll see the option to save. Simply tap on this, and like magic, the photo will be saved to your device. It's that easy. And if you're unable to save the photo directly from Instagram for any reason, don't worry. Step 4 offers a great alternative. You can take a screenshot of the photo. Just press the appropriate buttons on your device to capture the screen, and the image will be saved in your gallery. Now you're all set to enjoy your favorite Instagram photos offline. Remember, while saving images can be fun, always respect the privacy and rights of the original content creators. Happy saving!